Have you ever wondered how NASA is making space exploration more accessible and affordable? The answer lies in innovation and technology. A prime example is the development of an aluminum rocket engine nozzle. The brainchild of NASA's reactive additive manufacturing for the fourth industrial revolution, or ramfire, this revolutionary piece of equipment is not your ordinary rocket nozzle. Formed through a process akin to 3D printing, it's a testament to human ingenuity and our relentless pursuit of knowledge. In collaboration with Elementum 3D, NASA has designed this nozzle to be both heat-resistant and lightweight, a balance that's no easy feat to achieve. This is more than just a piece of hardware, it's a symbol of our capabilities, a beacon of what's to come. The ramfire process allows the production of aluminum components as a single piece, reducing the need for multiple bonds and decreasing manufacturing time. It's a faster, more efficient, and more cost-effective method of production. This groundbreaking technology has paved the way for a new era in space exploration. The ramfire process is revolutionizing how we manufacture components for space exploration. This is not just about creating objects, it's about crafting the future of our journey into the cosmos. Imagine this, producing aluminum components as a single piece, reducing the need for multiple bonds and significantly decreasing manufacturing time. It's like conjuring parts out of thin air, only it's science, not magic. The benefits of this process are manifold. For instance, it brings to life engines made of an innovative alloy known as Glen Research Copper, or GR-COP. This alloy can tolerate high temperatures, a critical feature for any spacebound equipment. Previous hot fire tests have proven the viability of this technology, demonstrating its ability to withstand extreme conditions. This is the power of 3D printing, an embodiment of our relentless pursuit of innovation. The magic of turning digital blueprints into tangible, high-performance components is not just impressive, it's transformative. These advancements in additive manufacturing are not only impressive, but crucial for NASA's ambitious plans. The aluminum nozzle has proven its mettle, passing the rigorous hot fire tests with flying colors. Its ability to withstand extreme temperatures and pressures showcases the remarkable benefits of the reactive additive manufacturing for the fourth industrial revolution, or ramfire process. This 3D printing technique has allowed us to produce a single-piece engine component, eliminating the need for multiple bonds and significantly reducing manufacturing time. But the aluminum nozzle is not the only success story. Ramfire has also manufactured a large aerospike nozzle for cryogenic fuel applications, further highlighting the diverse capabilities of this innovative technology. These advancements are not just scientific achievements, they are stepping stones towards reaching new horizons. With this technology at our fingertips, NASA's Moon to Mars program is not just a dream, but an achievable reality. The goal of returning astronauts to the Moon and one day sending crewed missions to Mars is closer than ever. These innovations are transforming the way we explore space, making the once impossible possible. The journey to the stars is just beginning, and you can be a part of it. Embrace the infinite possibilities that lie ahead. Keep fueling your curiosity and stay engaged with the astonishing progress being made in our quest to explore the cosmos. To continuously be enlightened, please like and subscribe.